Welcome to our guide on how to play Roblox on your school Chromebook in 2025. Let's dive into why Roblox is such a favorite among students. First off, let's discuss why Roblox could be blocked on your school Chromebook. Many schools limit access to certain websites and applications to ensure a focused learning environment. It's essential to understand the settings and permissions of your school-provided Chromebook. You might need to check with your IT department for any restrictions. One popular method to access Roblox is by using a reliable VPN. This can help bypass restrictions put in place by your school. If your school Chromebook allows apps from the Google Play Store, you can install Roblox directly from there. Just search for it and hit install. If installation isn't an option, don't worry. You can play Roblox using its browser version. Just visit the Roblox website and log in to start playing. Encountering issues? Common problems include login errors or connectivity issues, which you can usually resolve with a quick restart of your device. Alternatively, remote desktop applications can help you access your home computer, where you can run Roblox smoothly. While gaming, it's vital to stay safe online and follow your school's policies on internet usage. Always be smart and respectful while gaming. To wrap up, remember to check your settings, consider using a VPN, and always prioritize safety online. Enjoy playing Roblox responsibly.